All right, this is us before we go. Woo! We're late. I know you messing around.
Nope, it's there.
Anyway, we're trying to get out of here. We're on time. Sorta. My joint.
Not my on time. This is Gerald.
This is Gerald. We're fashionably late. We're supposed to be there from 7 to 9, and it is approximately 7:04 right now. So let's see what it look like when we get there. Y'all know what time it is. Water in order. Yeah. You'll make it. You look cute though. Oh, I burned my eye. Damn, what's wrong with me? Well, we're in here. I don't know if you can see me, but we're in here. About to get me a drink. Take a look at the menu here. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see it. Don't worry about it. You know what I came here for. I came in here for the nog without the naughty. Oh, that's without the naughty. I need something with the naughty. The eggnog espresso is just coffee. It doesn't have liquor in it. So Santa spiked hot chocolate. The Santa spiked hot chocolate.
Where is it? Yeah, sleigh ride. Yes. That's the spiked hot chocolate.
Thank you. Oh, it's hot, beautiful. We're lit. It's actually pretty cool. My drink is all right. I can't complain. All right, now what you got going on here?
It's the sleigh ride, okay? Taking a sleigh ride.
Let me see.
Can you? Huh? You can't see it?
No, I said, let me see you take a sip of it. There you go. The lighting is perfect. Good?
Good. I taste that liquor like I like to. It's that good sneaky drink.
All right, now.
Look at the camera.
Oh, my bad. I'm my bad.
Hey, come on now.
My bad.
What are you doing?
My bad.
Get it together.
All right.
We're clinking.
All right.
Why are you lifting it up?
So,
just clink
you're
it.
going too far.
You're going up.
You're going too far. I'm going, because I'm not in the middle. You're going too far.
Okay.
Okay. All right. There you go.
Yeah, why you lift it?
Ah, crap. I crashed into my tooth.
What's wrong with you?
I am going.
Why are you doing all like that?
My bad. I don't know what to do. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Okay.
I'm trying my best.
You're not a content creator. I know that.
I'm a content creator. Look, we on YouTube. We on YouTube right now. We on YouTube right now. Damn, I was in picture mode, and it should have been acting like it was recording the whole time. That would make sense. No, it would show it. So I was talking to the camera the whole time. Wasn't nobody listening. It wasn't. I wasn't talking to nobody. I've been drinking a little bit. It's one of those things. Back up on your face here. No, it's lit. There's a lot of, we out here. A lot of content creators out here. I don't know if y'all can see. Content creators. Oh, no, you good. Go ahead, do your thing. No, do your thing. Exactly. Everybody walking through doing their thing. It is about time for me to get another one, though. I don't know where we're going to go after this.
What's going on here?
What?
You know, some move farther away, but then it's not.
You're moving too much.
Get it together. No, I'm not.
She's trying to get her content. She's moving too much. You might have. You got any apps open? That looks like the apps are open.
There's only one app.
Man, that's crazy. Technical difficulties on her end. I'm doing great. We're going pro tonight, baby. Let's see if I put this whole thing together for a full clip. Does it still show? Do I gotta tap that side? That side's not touched. Oh, but the back side is touched. All right. Bam, bam, bam. I'm very excited. I haven't seen everybody walking around with these cups, but I've been waiting on it. I'm excited.
I ordered the Mrs. Claus nightcap, and what did you get?
No, it's only one or the other.
I got the Mrs. Claus nightcap.
Oh yeah, it is.
There ain't no one or the other. That's what it's called.
That's what it's called. I see both of them. Alright now.
Let's pour him in the little Mr. Gingerbread man. Just so you know, you don't fall inside there. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did she get the little, those little things? Did you get them when you came in? The little people?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she got it.
Oh, she took.
Yeah, she got it. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold. It's nice and cold.
Did I not turn it around? What's going on here?
So, you ready?
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Can you hold this real quick?
No, how am I supposed to hold it?
Good.
How am I supposed to hold it? Where's your back like that?
It's here, but I need to turn this camera around.
Oh, you got it on your back. Okay.
Yes. Now. You ready?
Yes, I got the thing in my hand.
Come on now.
Oh,
Click it.
clink.
That one's good.
That's pretty good.
I like
So,
this one.
she gotta get the toasted. She got the toasted marshmallows going. Wow. Spot. My man got the live music over there. You know, it's.
All the views we go.
Oh, damn. Y'all being silly, okay?
That's me, baby.
Yes, that's you being full-time silly, okay? But yeah, they got the live music going here. We chilling, you know, we doing our thing out here. So I got my goddamn, I got my
Gingerbread drinking. Mrs. Claus drinking.
You can't even. I don't know if y'all can see.
you thinking?
Can you see the toast on?
You're right. They toasted that mellow.
Toasted. She straight toasted
That mellow is
that
toasted.
joint. That mellow is toasted.
He toasted my mellow, okay? I'm about to eat some toasted mellow.
It's
The Kahlua saved it.
foolishness.
Tastes like a s'more.
I was putting my damn lips on this shit. I'm tripping. I was like, man, what the fuck? I don't see nobody else. I was like, I don't see nobody else. They were up there front, so I should have paid attention.
Where you go?
Yeah. Damn, that's how you know I'm drunk. That's how you know I'm drunk when I'm sitting up here getting hella close to the camera.
Right. You hear me? You hear me?
But you know what it is? Because I see this I see the speaker thing right there, so it makes me
Talk
want
to
to.
it.
It makes me want to talk.
I'm feeling fine.
No. I can hear. It's pretty good. But they said it's okay, but it's kind of one of those things. So. But I'm glad we came out.
They content.
I'm glad you invited us out. Where are you trying to go? We may go somewhere else. This is.
The playground, right? Or
We did talk about a couple of things, but the whole thing about it is like it's right now. It's 8 o'clock and I'm half drunk.
early, right?
It's 8 o'clock and it's about to be 9 and I'm half drunk already. So let me finish this mug. Here, you want to hold this? Touch it. I was getting ready to touch it. You got to see what you look like on the camera.
Yeah, I don't know why that has that feature where it goes away. You didn't bring the second battery, huh?
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay, cool, me.
I'm about to say we in a scary movie all of a sudden. Like,
I was trying to light our faces up.
like,
Can't see.
like the top of our faces, not the bottom of our faces. We look like a scary movie from down here.
You make me mad. This is the nice list.
Because again, being naughty only pays for so long. Being nice is forever.
Should I put an at?
Yes,
Is that you did?
Everybody's at. Take a look and see all these apps. We're gonna take a look at them and see them. We'll go add our friends, right? Add some new friends. Oh my God.
Almost lost my ankle.
Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
All right, let's go.
Oh my Lord.
You gonna follow them?
Everybody that's part of the nice list. We'll look at the nice list, and then we'll also look at the naughty list.
Oh, that's the nice list.
It's the nice list, yeah.
Fast baby, more drunk than me.
No.
I'm fucking fine, feeling every pain in my goddamn toes.
I know. I had to stand there. You could have sat right there.
Then came to get me.
Yeah.
Toes.
But all right. Hopefully, I don't get hit. Woo! Yeah, we way over here.
Yeah.
Way over here.
We need to shop for some shoes, cause these heels ain't it. I can't do heels.
Ooh, they look cute though.
Thank you, baby.
Check out the fit. Hair magic. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking